So let's take a look at how you can download Windows 10 SDK on your Windows 10. Currently I have this Windows 10 SDK 10.0.19041.0 which is released in May 2020. So I'm going to download this, and I can find this section in Windows Dev Center downloads, and there is Windows 10 SDK. There is also archive page to access the installers. You can also use ISO emulators for downloading and using this. So simply download the latest one, click on install SDK, and that should download installer that looks something like this. Click on this installer. Okay, it should start with a screen that looks something like this. Now here you can see the install path for your Windows kit. You can change this if you want. Simply change it to E. Okay, and you can also use the path, download the development kit for installation on a separate computer if you have one, right? Then click on next. Now it will ask you whether you want to send the usage data. Click no, then click next. Simply read through license terms and then click on accept. Now here you can choose from list of the available features that you want. In my case, I don't want to develop for ARM, so I'm removing ARM specific options here. Okay, right, you can keep the rest of the things selected, then click install. Okay, now the installation will start after you allow the permission. Depending on your internet connection, it will start the installer and will finish it based on that download speed. Okay, so at the end page looks something like this, that shows SDK is installed. You can close the wizard. Now go to the Windows menu and you will find that your recently added programs shows SDK installed along with other applications that come with it. You can click on any application and check whether it is installed or not.